Okay, so I had literally just shot a video about this. This one, the one I shot before, was this top one right here. Now let's check this out. More activity. And this is the video before it. I had literally just gone upstairs. I'll play the video again one more time just so you can see it without me commentating over it. And I'm going to try to upload these in chronological order. Not so much by how they were shot, but alright, that was it. I'm going to definitely use a Ouija board. Tomorrow, probably. I will tape that the best I can. I'm going to try to do it without touching the planchette with my hands. And see what happens. Until then, peace.